Hi there, Year 12. I hope this video finds you and your family well. But I want to start with a thank you. And thank you for your engagement in what we're asking. Keeping up our high standards, doing the work, meeting the deadlines, attending the Zoom classes. And this will stand you in good stead as we move forward towards the assessments that we may have to do on a return. So follow your timetable, look at Firefly, and engage in all the Zooms. Although we're asking a lot in terms of work, it's important to strike a balance too. It's important that you have a good work-life balance and that you're able to move and do some activity or go for a walk just to clear the head and create a healthy mind and a healthy body. If you are struggling, speak to someone, your tutor or myself, or even look at the Firefly page and look at the virtual wellbeing hub. But some are clearly struggling with their structure to their day, finding it hard to prioritize tasks. So I've added a couple of videos here to show you tips how to make yourself organized. I like writing lists, and this is reinforced in these videos. So watch them and hopefully you can take something from them like I did. Thank you.
Here's some ideas on how to structure your day for maximum productivity, performance, and output. Number one, every minute spent in planning saves 10 minutes in execution or getting the job done. So the most important thing you can do is plan your day, preferably the night before. Sit down with a piece of paper and write down everything that you have to do the coming day. It should be the last thing you do at the end of the day. Now, if for any reason you don't do this, then the first thing you do in the morning, before you check your email, your phone calls, newspapers, first thing you do in the morning is make a list of everything that you have to do that day. Once you have a list, you have a track to run on. Writing down a list clarifies your thinking. Writing down a list forces you to think at a higher level. If you start working from a list, you increase your productivity and output by 25% the first day. All successful people work from lists, and all successful people, with regard to their projects, work from checklists. A checklist is a list of everything organized in sequence, and you go down the checklist. Now, the second way that you can organize your day is to set priorities on your list before you begin. Don't just rush into it. Look over the list and apply the 80-20 rule. If you have 10 items to do on your list, 2 will be more valuable than the other 8 put together. Sometimes it's the 90-10 rule. If you have 10 items on your list, 1 will be more important than all the others put together. So once you identify this task, this leads to the next way to organize your day, is begin immediately on your most important task and then stay with it until it's complete. All of success in life comes from project completion. It comes from taking jobs, and a project is called a multi-task job. It means there's several little jobs within the larger job. And what you do is you organize your projects by sequence, the checklist, and then you start on your most important project, and then you stay with that project until it's complete. This process is called single handling. It's the most powerful success strategy that you can use in managing your time. You can actually increase your productivity by 50% by simply starting and completing your most important task first thing every day. So if you can do those 3 things, start with a list, organize the list by priority, and then start on and complete your most important task, you can double and triple your productivity, sometimes almost overnight.
If you always plan on doing too much, use the 1-3-5 list to limit yourself to a more realistic amount. If you work best at certain times, organize your tasks by how much energy they take, so you know what to do when. If you want to cut some things off your list, group them by urgency and importance to figure out what matters most right now. If your days always seem like they're getting away from you, give each task a block of time on your schedule. If you're always juggling a lot of things, give each day a theme so you can focus on similar to-dos.